All right, so let's get started with SentinelOne training. Let's first understand the training objective. So this training program is designed for professionals like yourself who are seeking to deepen your expertise in SentinelOne endpoint detection and response platform. Uh, so basis on your current foundation knowledge in security domain, this training will help you explore SentinelOne basic to intermediate to advanced capabilities across solution management, endpoint security, cloud security, AI-driven threat detection and identity security, and many more capabilities that SentinelOne brings on the table. So we will have interactive hands-on lab exercises, scenario-based exercises. I will also provide you a demonstration of various SentinelOne capabilities, a walkthrough of SentinelOne management console. With all of that, you will gain practical skills to deploy, manage, optimize SentinelOne in diverse enterprise environments for small, medium enterprises, for multinationals, for enterprise environments. You will learn how to use SentinelOne security capabilities for your internal projects, internal IT, as well as act as a managed security service provider to provide security solutions or SOC experience to customers out there. So we will primarily put the emphasis on designing and architecting the solution for an enterprise, threat hunting. So designing and architecting, then onboarding endpoints into the solution, configuring the capabilities from the SentinelOne management console, doing the threat hunting, performing automation wheresoever possible, and integrating SentinelOne with broader security ecosystem, which via various integrations which are available natively in the platform as well as through its marketplace to drive proactive defense strategies for the organization. So whether you're part of engineering team, SOC operations, or you are handling client engagements, this training will equip you with the confidence to lead and with clarity to lead with SentinelOne or to lead with confidence. So that's what the training objective is. If you look at the learning outcome, you can see by the end of this training program, you will be able to you will be able to configure and manage SentinelOne console settings for multi-tenant environments, because we will look at hierarchy of how do we configure the solution for a customer with a single site or with multiple sites and offices across multiple geographies and locations. You will be able to design policy framework for scalable endpoint detection. You will be able to configure agent health monitoring and other capabilities which are available for SentinelOne. Deployment across diverse OS platform. So SentinelOne, as we speak, supports Microsoft Windows client and server operating systems. It also supports legacy operating systems, which are not supported by any other EDR solution. So this will give you some pointers that will help you to basically talk about SentinelOne and about your experience on Friday. So it provides diverse OS platform support. You will be able to analyze real-time threat data with behavioral indicators. So once you onboard the endpoints into SentinelOne management console, after configuring the policies, you will see SentinelOne detecting alerts and incidents from those endpoints with respect to any vulnerability, security misconfiguration, any loopholes or gap. And those alerts and detections or incidents, you will be able to investigate, you will be able to perform proactive threat hunting, all that you will be able to do from endpoint security perspective. So you will be performing deep dive investigations. You will learn to execute remediation workflows, including rollback, quarantine, and kill chain. You will learn about cloud security. SentinelOne integrates with leading cloud service providers, which includes Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. So you will learn how to detect and respond to cloud native threats using SentinelOne cloud workload protection. It will also help you learn, apply runtime protection and visibility across containers and VMs. Then comes AI security, which is another feature of SentinelOne. SentinelOne is an AI-driven cybersecurity solution, and how it is leveraging AI technology to provide deep investigation, to provide a minute information, or to bring minute details about your endpoint current status. You will learn all of it. You will leverage autonomous response capabilities for zero-day threats, evaluate AI decisions, and tune detection thresholds for precision. SentinelOne also has capability to protect identities. So if you have directory services, identity providers configured in your environment with respect to Windows Server Active Directory, as you already are aware of, since most of you are from Windows, background. So SentinelOne has the capability to integrate with on-premises Active Directory as well as Azure Active Directory, which is now known as Microsoft Entra ID, and other identity provider to monitor identity-based anomalies and lateral movement. It integrates with the Okta, Entra ID, Active Directory domain services, and other identity and access management solutions. And you will be able to apply identity context to enrich threat detection. You will also learn integration to connect SentinelOne with other Siemens SOAR platforms with respect to Microsoft Sentinel, Splunk, etc. This will help you build automated playbooks for incident response. So similar to Siemens SOAR solution, wherein you use workflows, you may use a Yara, JSON, or the Logic app, or any workflow automation capability to create playbooks, runbooks, or use cases to investigate and remediate incidents automatically. Similarly, SentinelOne also provides you those capabilities. So you will learn about it. You will learn about APIs and connectors which are available for creating custom workflows and reporting. You will also learn threat hunting, and I will have some scenario labs available wherein we all will do a ransomware simulation, a malware simulation. So the endpoints that we are going to onboard SentinelOne on, those endpoints will have the latest operating system with the latest security patches. So you will probably not get any detection on them because they are training endpoints. So what we will do as a threat actor or as an ethical hacker, we will simulate attack on those endpoints ourselves by intentionally putting a malicious code on those endpoints, by intentionally downloading and installing a malware, and let SentinelOne to quickly detect, remediate, quarantine, and kill whichever is applicable for those use cases. So we'll do proactive threat hunting using SentinelOne query capabilities. We'll look at real-time attack simulations, which is malware attacks, ransomware attack, which are quite common these days on endpoints. So we will simulate ourselves those attack, and then we'll switch gear and see how SentinelOne is quick to capture, discover those attack, and how you can investigate and remediate those attack. We'll also look at MyPrey attack mapping to enhance detection coverage. So that's the learning outcome of this training session that you all will expect at the end of the training session. So moving on. So any questions so far from any participant?
Hi Raghuveer. So as you explained, SentinelOne is providing automation, integration, playbook as well. So can we say that SentinelOne is SOAR tool, security, automation, response?
In a way. So for all incidents that it can generate, or for all anomalies or misconfigurations that it can capture, it provides you capabilities to automate the resolution or automate the response around those capabilities. That's what it does, basically. So in a way, it's a SOAR platform, but then don't compare the actual SOAR capability that you will find in solutions like Chronicle using Simplify, or playbooks, Logic App playbooks in Microsoft Sentinel, or Phantom with Splunk Enterprise Security. Don't compare it with that, but yes, up to a certain extent, you will see the automation capabilities in the product, and that we will cover in the training session. So you will be able to compare and correlate that up to what extent we can cover the automation.
Okay.